This is Ryan, Rianne, and Renzo's first time in a speedboat here in Boracay. We had to go in a speedboat because it was too difficult to take the regular boat at low tide. So it's just around 6:45 p.m. The sun is already set. So that's how the speedboat looks like. Did you have fun, Renzo?
Yeah.
Was it super fast?
Yeah.
Yeah, funny. The rudder is from Boracay here, sunset. With me and Renzo doing the first ever speedboat. Let's decide when we get back, okay? So now we have to take a tricycle over the D Mall. So this guy has to go super slow. Okay. Beautiful Boracay sunset. Thanks for watching. See you.